other night, we rushed to emergency. I was wheeled straight to the delivery room and told you were an inevitable miscarriage and that I would deliver you that very night where you will be stillborn. My heart dropped. You were only 24 weeks with 16 more weeks to go. Our family privately arranged for you to get medically evacuated to New Zealand. It was only the night before we were due to fly out, you made your very dramatic entrance. 11:24 p.m., only 6 months, 700 grams, only slightly bigger than a block of butter. Despite the doctors telling us you didn't have a chance, our faith was unwavering. The very next day, we were picked up by the Starship Nicu team in a private plane and brought to New Zealand. I thought things would go smoothly when we got to New Zealand, but boy was I wrong. When you were only 4 days old, you developed a gastro disease called NEC, which inflames intestinal tissues, causing it to die. You were then rushed to emergency surgery where they cut out 10 centimeters of your intestine. And this is what began our long, complicated 179-day stay in the Auckland neonatal ICU. You had complications with your heart, your kidneys, your lungs, your bowels, your brain, even your blood. It was just one problem after the other. You were told you might not see, hear, eat on your own, breathe on your own, sit or walk. You went blue in my arms once and you had to be resuscitated right before my eyes. Watching you go through 5 life-threatening surgeries, being poked and prodded by needles numerous times a day, and seeing you go through more than most will in a lifetime, so many painful memories. But we stood firm in our faith and our belief in God's amazing plans for you. Us, together with all your prayer warriors around the world, our church members, our pastors, we declared you, Ezekiel, will live to declare the works of the Lord in the land of the living. And here you are, 1 year later. Everything from your head right down to your toes is healthy and normal. Look at God. You are highly favored, Ezekiel. May you never forget that. I knew all along, son, that you will be a testimony who will change lives. Ezekiel, you will always be a great reminder to us that the God we serve is a faithful and loving Father. He works in mysterious ways that none of us understand. But one thing is for certain, He is always in control and He has an amazing plan for you, son. We love you and we are so proud of you.
Happy birthday, son. Ia vi lava le liilo na lofa malana tausinga ia te o Ezekiel. Ia walo na lofa malona a au malus. Na ia fawai leo na tuluki ia te o le atali. O lea, ia mātou te whamanu ai na whaftai atu ai lea li lea unua se ia o le whamavau. Walo na lofa matele lava. Even throughout those hardships and rough times, I still offered you and dedicated you to God. I initially came up with the name Ezekiel, or Ezekiel, which means in the Bible, God who strengthens, or God is strong. Son, I hope you will watch this video in the future, and let it be a reminder to you of what God has done for your life. E aua, awa lava ni ngalo, ia lofa whapito le toa te o le tali.